If you want a stronger core, then stop doing crunches and sit-ups.
Come on, let's go.
They hurt your back, they give you bad posture, and to be honest, it doesn't even really do anything to strengthen your core. But you can strengthen your core in just 5 minutes like this. Just do each move for 1 minute, once a day, and you'll strengthen your core in a matter of just a couple weeks. Oh, and make sure you pick the variation that feels a little bit easier to you at first. Start with 1 minute of kneeling shoulder taps. So come into a plank position on your knees, squeeze your glutes, tuck your pelvis, don't let your butt stick out like this, and then from there, we're gonna slowly shift the weight to one hand and tap the shoulder with the opposite hand. Back and forth just like this. And the goal is don't twist and turn your body and rock a bunch like this. Instead, everything stays in the middle. Now, if that's too easy or once you get a little bit stronger, come up on your toes, squeeze the core nice and tight and the glutes nice and tight, and then do the same thing here without twisting your body. Next, do 1 minute of the kneeling side plank on your elbow. So what you're gonna do is bring your knees out front. You're gonna squeeze your glutes and extend your hips like this and make sure you have a nice straight line up and down across your body. Now next, to really activate the side of your body, drag your elbow towards your hip. Don't actually move it much, but just watch this. Drag it there and immediately all these muscles are gonna light up like crazy. The other hand can just rest on your hip and have a nice tall posture and make sure you don't twist your body from side to side. You should almost imagine your body is between two walls. Do this for 1 minute on this side and then make sure you do it on the other side. And if it's too easy, all you gotta do is put your foot down instead and stack your feet on top of each other. Next, remember that your core isn't just these muscles right here. It's all the muscles that surround your midsection. So let's do some glute bridge lifts. Palms toward the sky, fingertips away from the ears, lift your toes towards your nose, drive into your heels, and squeeze your glutes at the top. And then on the way down, roll your spine down one vertebrae at a time. When the top of your tailbone taps, come back up and squeeze the glutes again, just like this. Now, if this is too easy, all you have to do is hold the top position for the entire minute instead. And finally, do 1 minute of reverse crunches. So stay on your back. This time, we're gonna keep the palms toward the sky, or if you need to, you can make a little diamond and put it under your tailbone. That typically helps for people with lower back pain. Now you're gonna lift your knees up like this, squeeze them together, and then inhale as you come down and tap your heels, exhale as you come up. The most important thing you gotta pay attention to here is that as you come down, your lower back stays in contact with the ground instead of it going whoop and lifting up like this. That's a sure recipe for causing back pain. Now, if this is too easy, just doing it like a reverse crunch, then you can just straighten your legs and do a leg raise instead.